There
Hello.
you go. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm busy typing messages in the comments. Said, Ashton, how do I join?
No, you have to press that join request button that comes next to your name.
And it didn't come here this time. So then
I
you
think
said join
Instagram's
request.
trying new stuff on the on its
Yeah.
Instagram lives and stories and like that. So the last
And
two
like
times we've
you
had
said,
flopped
I'm doing a
Instagram
live
lives.
after ages. So
Yeah.
I don't know anything that's happening. Hi, Ashton. Hi.
So, guys, keep sending questions for us about ketosis
Yes.
because I think, and the whole ketogenic diet, I think it's a fascinating thing, and there's so many questions that people have about it. So, keep asking
Yes.
questions.
Yes.
Let's make it interactive. Let's not just
Please.
make this us giving
Yes.
yarn, not us talking.
Yes. Yes. Although I am here to give Gyan, so.
Yeah, and it's my job to milk all the yarn from you. So, this would be like a normal conversation over a phone call that we would have had. So, I
Yeah,
think this is
exactly.
fantastic that everyone's
It is
joining in
chat.
as well on this.
Yeah. So go on, Ashton. Go on. I have to tell you this.
So, I
You put up
was,
this up.
hmm,
So, you put up this post, right, with your post Diwali food
hmm,
baby. And I
hmm,
have to tell you this. I'm so happy you talked about the sluggishness and the
hmm.
lack of energy, etc. Because, I just hear people talk about, oh my God, I have to lose this weight, I have to lose this weight. Uh, the weights come out in like 3 days. It's water weight. It's going to go. That's not a problem. It's
Yeah,
the it's the other stuff that comes with all the binging, all the sugar, all the starch, etc. That matters more
correct.
to me. To me, number on the scale,
Absolutely.
it'll go. That's the easiest thing,
Yeah.
according to me. So thank you
And
for
you said
making
it
that a
so well
priority.
because like the weight is avan javan, right? Weight will come,
Oh,
weight will go,
yeah,
weight will
yeah,
come,
yeah,
weight will
yeah,
go.
yeah,
And
yeah,
and
yeah.
if you eat correctly, if you know the right things, weight will come, weight will go. That's not the thing
Exactly.
that you have to hold you.
For women, when they're expecting
Hmm,
their period, कुछ ना
hmm,
करके ना सब 2-3 किलो ऊपर चला जाता है यार, for those few
correct.
days. So it is
Yeah.
a number on a scale, weight, a size. It is, I swear to you, look, I don't mean to disrespect people who have been on this journey for a long time and who struggle with, their weight, etc. I don't mean to disrespect, but it is, you take care of everything else, ye jayega.
Hmm,
You
yeah.
know, you take
Absolutely.
care of health, you take care of well-being, you take care of inflammation, you take care of energy, everything. Weight to jayega. So
That's almost
that
like a
means a lot.
given, really.
Yeah, it's a given. It's a given. You know. But go on,
And
Ashton.
so the whole
Ask
reason
me.
for me doing this as a 21-day thing and not like for forever is because I like to reset my metabolism, right? So the whole idea is to be metabolically flexible. That means you can have carbs sometimes, you can have fat sometimes, and it's all going to be the same for your
Yeah.
body. And that's
Yeah.
the whole idea of what I'm trying to do. Now, over the last week, it's been lots of carbs because typically, unfortunately, festival food is lots of carbs, lots of
Yeah.
sugar, and all those things. Huh? All the puffiness that
It's
comes
all come.
along with it. Yeah? So now,
Yeah.
there's so many questions about what is keto. Let's quickly do a what is keto, and
Sure.
then let's jump into what we
Sure.
were thinking of talking about today.
Sure.
Hmm?
Sure.
So tell
Nutshell.
me what is keto?
Yeah,
Okay.
nutshell. Okay. State of ketosis is when your body is using fat as fuel as opposed to glucose as fuel. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's your body, your liver releases ketone bodies. Okay, which
Hmm.
is basically
Hmm.
fat bodies, fat molecules, which your body uses for fuel. Okay, as opposed to
Hmm.
glucose, which comes mostly from starch and sugar. When I say sugar,
Hmm.
people say, oh, but I never eat sugar. But if you eat rice and if you eat gehu and if you eat a lot of grains, you're eating sugar. It's as simple
Correct.
as that. It's
Yeah.
basically what converts to sugar in your system, right? So ketosis and ketogenic eating and low carb, high fat eating is cutting down drastically on the on the total number of carbohydrates you eat, moderate protein, I cannot say this enough, moderate protein and high fat, healthy fats.
Correct.
Okay. When I say
Yes.
high fat, I don't mean like, chocolate biscuits. Okay. I mean
Hmm.
healthy fats, right?
Yeah.
So, no. I did have actually somebody come and say, high fat, to wo orange cream biscuit mujhe bahut pasand hai. No. So, you
Because there's
know,
the word cream in it, right?
so,
Cream matlab high fat.
yeah. It's got to be, and fattening, na. Huh.
Hmm.
So that's how it works. Your
Hmm.
carbohydrates. Now understand when people say, oh, but cutting carbs is very bad. I'm not asking you to cut carbs. I'm asking you to cut starchy carbs that convert to sugar in your system. I'm asking you to have a lot of carbohydrates from a lot of vegetables, from nuts, from your cream, your cheese, etc. I'm just saying no grains, no a lot of fruits that convert to sugar, no high sugar content vegetables. Everything else is game. Yeah, that's ketosis that's ketogenic in a nutshell.
Brilliant. Now, normally when we start thinking of keto, immediately we get into all these fancy foods that people have. Like we have almond flours and we have coconut flours and we have this and we have that. And, there is such a mystery around what ketogenic is because it is all these hatke se things, right? Now, how do we make a ketogenic diet almost like an everyday thing from a food perspective? I'll tell you what my problem is, okay? Like I am right now staying at my farm, like you can see.
Which is beautiful. I want to come.
Come and get food also.
Yeah, I'll get food.
Right? Exactly. Like Itisha is saying, ketogenic matlab expensive stuff. So, immediately we get that in our mindset. And now I'm staying in a village. I don't have access to Godrej Nature's Basket. I don't have access to any of those things. So how will I do a ketogenic diet sitting here?
Okay. You have chicken. You have eggs.
I have chicken. I have eggs.
You have eggs, yeah. Fish. You like fish? Do you have access to fish?
I like fish. It will come, but it's not too much of an access.
Okay. Okay. You have basic spices: haldi, garam masala, dhania powder, zira powder, lal mirchi powder.
Perfect.
Yeah, done. Okay, zira, rai. Okay. You have vegetables.
Yeah.
And when I'm saying vegetables, please understand, I'm not talking asparagus and artichoke hearts. Turai dudi hai. Yeah. Turai dudi, kakdi,
gawar, bhindi,
bhindi. Superb, bhindi. Okay.
Yeah.
Make any kind of chicken that you like every day. Okay. Now you can do a grill. Okay. Simple, I'll tell you. Salt, pepper, lal mirchi, little dhania powder, little zira powder, lasan adrak ka paste. Okay. Little dahi if you have, but dahi I prefer. If you know what, take some dahi. Okay, take a lot of dahi and just hang it and keep. Okay. If you don't have if you have a bada channi, if you don't have cloth to hang it, if you have a bada channi, put the dahi in that, put it over a patila and just leave it for some time. Okay. So what is that? Greek yogurt. Fancy.
Yes.
It's hung curd, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. So hang a dahi. Okay. Yeah. Seriously.
I love it.
Yeah. So take little dahi. Put that masala in your chicken. Okay. Put little slits in your chicken. So you put the masala in. Leave it for an hour. Okay. Take ghee or coconut oil. Grill it. Or cook. Grill means what? Yeah. In the frying pan, just cook your chicken. Okay. And whatever sabzi you want. Except for carrots, matar, corn, arbi, suran, aloo, beetroot. Okay. Other than
any of the root ones, anything that comes out from the ground.
The root ones. Okay. And like corn. So I love corn. Okay. I love sweet corn soup. Okay. But corn is like really, where's the nutrition? There's no nutrition. Okay.
Yeah. No nutrition and it's pure sugar. I remember years ago, I was wearing one of those continuous glucose monitors, right? So it sticks into your arm and continuously gives you a reading of your blood sugar. Corn was the thing that spiked it the most for me.
The most, no? Because it's pure sugar.
Pure sugar. And it's so funny, that we talk about this. There are no nutrition. And it's so funny we talk about this. I remember when I just started my health journey, like I'm talking about now 5-6 years ago. Right? Every time I talk about this, I have to add one more year because it's gone by 1 year. So about 5-6 years ago. Yeah, it's going on. And at that point of time, I used to have 2 full makkai buttas after my run because I thought that was the healthy thing to eat as a snack. Nah? Nobody tells you these things. And I wish someone had told me that corn is nothing but pure sugar. And nobody teaches these things to us.
Yeah. I would rather if you had to, okay, then you boil little beetroot. Okay, and put little chaat masala, little like that and all, and have the beetroot, because with that sugar is coming a lot of vitamins and minerals also.
Correct.
So my thing is, if you are eat nutrient dense. Let it be. Of course, once in a while, fine, you go crazy, but that is just to be once in a while. That can't be once every 2 days because then it's just the way you eat.
Like Anirudh is asking, healthy food is not tasty. Anirudh is saying healthy food is not tasty.
So Ashwin, you've eaten my food. You say.
No, so I know healthy food can be very tasty. I'm saying that, tell him what is it that you
Yum.
typically
It
think
can be.
about as tasty.
Yeah. What do you think is healthy food? Anirudh, right? I don't understand
Yeah.
because look, food is food. Okay, that it
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
healthy is a priority. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Hmm.
you can make it as tasty as you want. Yeah, I am telling you this, guys. Please just try this.
Hmm.
Take your chicken. Okay,
Hmm.
dahi
Hmm.
and your basic spices, little nimbu. Okay,
Hmm.
in your dahi,
Hmm.
your lal mirchi powder, dhania powder more than zira powder. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
put little chaat masala if you want. Okay, whip it
Yeah.
up, massage it into your chicken, and this it's yum. Yeah, have it little
Yeah.
fresh green chutney. Come on,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
have any sabzi. Now have a big bowl of gawar sabzi. Have some
Hmm.
patta gobi.
Hmm.
Have I'm talking about ghar ke sabzi. I'm talking about tendli, and I'm talking about dudhi
Yeah.
and all these. These are
Yeah.
all ketogenic. I don't know why
Hmm.
people think that oh, I
But
need
then
to
where does that
have.
fat come in and all of that fancy
You cook
stuff
it
come
in
in?
ghee,
Like
na?
when do you?
Now, here
Huh?
is important.
Hmm.
Here is important. In
Hmm.
chicken,
Hmm.
leg piece, thigh piece,
Hmm.
better than
Hmm.
breast. Okay?
Hmm.
Because your
Hmm.
meat has its high fatty content. Okay?
Hmm.
Mutton,
Hmm. Hmm.
superb. Egg, full
Hmm.
egg, not just egg white.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
Cook
Hmm.
in ghee. Okay?
Hmm.
Now, please understand. Now, get this concept. Okay? When we say high fat, we don't mean
Hmm.
pile it on, because fat itself is denser. It is nutrient dense and it is calorie dense as opposed to
Hmm.
all the other foods that you would be eating. Okay. So
Hmm.
if you
Hmm.
take this much gawar and you cook it in, when people say low fat, all day, your all days meals have to have like 2 teaspoons of oil total, right? I never
Correct.
knew how to do that. I am saying
Hmm.
let that one gawar ki sabzi have 2 tablespoons of ghee.
One gawar ki sabzi, 2 tablespoons instead of two
Yeah, yeah.
tablespoons over one full day of eating.
No,
Correct?
I'm saying in that one
Hmm.
dish.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
I'm saying. When you're cooking that
And
gawar ki
this is
sabzi.
where we answer Anirudh's question because normally healthy food is equal to
Huh.
boiled food. Correct?
Exactly. I'm going
Boiled
to answer
boiled
this.
egg khane ka. Hmm.
Sorry, Viraj, how to
Which
deal
one?
with
Which one?
constipation. I will come back to this. Huh. Yeah, एक boiled egg
There was
खाने
another very
का
interesting
और
question.
थोड़ा
Lots
सा
of very
नमक
interesting
नमक
questions
काली
coming up.
मिर्ची
Huh? We're going
डाला.
to answer them. Hmm.
Yes, please.
Sorry,
तो
sorry, sorry.
नमक काली मिर्ची डालने का boiled egg and salad, सूखा salad. Okay.
Huh. Huh.
No, so have a good quality mayo or make your own mayo, which is very, very easy at home, and
Hmm.
put that
Hmm.
in your salad. Do Greek yogurt as
Hmm.
a salad dressing, which
Hmm.
is also your,
Hmm.
the thing, it gives it creaminess
That hung
to
dahi.
it.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So, these things matter. So, when we say high fat, I don't mean कि सब
Huh.
चीज पर सब dish पर cheese घिस के खाओ. No. Your
Huh.
fat is from
Huh.
the fatty cuts of meat you are eating. Okay.
Hmm.
It's from the ghee or coconut oil you are cooking in. Okay. Because normally you wouldn't be using that much, right? Take little
Correct.
butter.
Correct.
Okay. Take little butter and put it on your chicken after it's done. Yummy. Yeah. You know? There,
So,
you're
so
done.
you can add the fat on top of things like that. You
Yes,
can add the
definitely,
butter on top.
definitely,
If you
definitely.
made you made a sabzi, you can add a little ghee on top of it to make
Put
it,
on top.
right?
It'll taste yummy. Heat up the ghee a little
And
bit,
how do you
pour it on top.
and how do you convert, like, for example, like in my family right now, I'm the only person who's doing the keto diet, right? My parents are eating normal food. So, like, I'll tell you what they're having today. So, I wasn't in charge. So, today they are having dosa with sambar and
Huh,
chutney,
huh.
correct? Now, how do I eat that with them? What is it
Okay.
that I can convert? Is there
Is there
anything that is
any other
redeemingly keto?
sabzi? Is there any other sabzi? Do you have any eggs? You have boiled eggs?
So I've eaten scrambled eggs earlier in the day. So what I was
Huh.
thinking is I told them to make bhindi ka sabzi,
Hmm.
and I told them to make some cauliflower rice. So I thought I'd have sambar rice and bhindi. Does that make
No,
sense or that does
no.
not make sense?
Sambar is dal. No,
Hmm.
no. Sambar
Okay.
is dal. Dal is a no-no because dal is kind
Okay.
of inflammatory, especially on this way of eating. Okay, so
Okay.
chutney you can have. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure.
All right.
So they're making cauliflower rice. How are they making cauliflower rice? Plain.
So tell me how to make it. I
Okay.
can tell him.
Okay. So you make your cauliflower rice. Basically, you've riced it. Okay, then you steam it.
Huh.
Yeah, or
So you
boil
grate
it.
the cauliflower,
Grate the
correct? You grate
cauliflower.
the
Barik,
cauliflower.
barik.
Then you boil that,
Then you
correct?
boil that, or you
Huh.
steam it. You put pani and you steam it
Okay.
till it's little tender. Okay.
Huh. Huh.
After that, the world is your oyster. Okay. Take
Okay.
ghee
Wow.
in a kadhai. Take ghee in a kadhai.
Huh.
Put rai. Put curry
Huh.
patta. Okay. Put little
Huh.
ginger, little lasun slivers. Okay. Put the cauliflower rice in that. Add little spices. Okay. And this thing. Toss it, toss it, toss it. A little salt. Your masala rice is ready.
Masala rice, lovely.
Yeah. Yeah. You
And
can
that
have
I
it
can
this
have with my bindi. I can have it with
Have
my,
it with your
like you
bindi,
said, I
have
can
it
have it with
and
my
have
chutney
coconut
also.
chutney. Please have coconut chutney. Lovely, healthy fats.
So coconut chutney is good. It's not. It's
Very
not.
good.
There's no carbohydrates and
Very
stuff
good.
in it.
You know, I go to Banana Leaf, okay, this restaurant, South Indian, right? And people are like, how can you eat? I eat like the cabbage poriyal. I have like the stew, veg stew. I just tell them don't put potato and carrot, put everything else. Okay, I have the veg stew.
Nice.
I have the cabbage poriyal and I have like itna bhar ke coconut chutney because I love it so much. Or the mushroom
I love it.
chettinad. You know, the mushroom chettinad.
Okay.
I have
Yeah.
I have a full meal in a South Indian restaurant. You know, you have the paneer
Lovely.
ghazi, which is cooked in coconut
Yeah.
oil and all. Happy. So coconut chutney is lovely. Have coconut chutney.
Okay. Superb. And I saw a question that came up saying that does ketogenic diets have to be non-vegetarian or can it be vegetarian as well?
Dr. Yuvi, thank you. Okay. About 40-50% of my clients are vegetarian at Ketolicious. You know, because
Lovely.
there are many times I go vegetarian, you know, because sometimes I just like vegetarian food, you know. I'm very happy with it. So, paneer, best friend. Okay, I'm really sorry, but paneer. Okay, nothing better in
You
terms
can't get out of
protein.
paneer.
Cannot. You know, if you're not going to eat paneer, no. Okay, because it's
Become a non-vegetarian.
have eggs. Because I'll tell you why. There are a lot of people out there, and this really gets my goat, okay, who are saying, oh, on keto diet, and I'm talking about like nutritionists and things like that, okay, who are saying, oh, keto diet, please have moong and rajma and tofu. No, and no. Okay, because inflammatory. And please understand, guys, it's not just about starving your body of carbohydrates or sugar. It is about bringing down inflammation levels in your body. That matters. You know, that is where the increased mental clarity, the energy, the glowing skin, the lack of aches and pains, and the weight loss comes in. Okay, anti-inflammatory. So no tofu. So paneer, Greek yogurt, chia seeds is lovely. Okay, Ashton, you have chia in the farm. Somebody can get you chia seeds.
I actually do have chia. Yeah, I have chia seeds. We used to grow
Ashton.
them as microgreens, so that's why I got lots of chia.
Oh, lovely. You have microgreens also? Fancy. What are you saying?
No,
You
I'll
don't
have to
have
start
fancy
planting them.
things. Yeah. Microgreens.
No, but I have to make them, no.
Yeah.
I have to grow these things.
I'm telling you. Okay. Tell me about the microgreens with the egg salad. I'll tell you. Chia seeds, soak them. Now I'm giving all my Ketolicious secrets. Okay, nobody's going to sign up with me because they've got it now. They'll just keep replaying this. Okay, soak chia seeds. Okay, for like minimum 45 minutes. Okay, great cucumber. Okay. Mix it in with the chia seeds. Take hung curd. Now, guys, why I say hung curd is because the whey content is less. The lactose is less in hung curd. Okay. And it has a higher fat percentage. So it's much easier on your system. It's much healthier for you. Okay. So you've got your chia seeds soaked and therefore foga hua. Okay. You've got your chia seeds. Great cucumber. Mix it in with your chia seeds. Mix in the hung curd. Some salt. Do a tadka of coconut oil or ghee with rai, little ginger, little hing, little curry patta, and a couple of slit green chilies and put the tadka there. There you have your dahi rice, Thair Sadam.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So how much chia? You take that much chia? You take this much chia?
For you, like 1-2 tablespoons will give you this much, like a full bowl.
Oh, wow. Oh, it
Now,
will go
now
out
the
that
trick
much.
is mixing. Yeah, it'll come that much now. So you have it over two
Hmm.
meals. Have it over two meals. Keep it
Hmm.
in the. It stays wonderfully in the fridge for a few days.
Lovely.
So what? You make
Lovely.
a big batch and you keep it and keep
Huh.
eating it and keep changing your sabzi on the side.
Nice.
So
This makes
now
so much
because of
sense.
your hunkered and your chia, you've also got some protein going there.
Hmm.
You know, it's very
This
good.
is a lovely
And
veg dish. Yeah,
yeah,
it's so yummy.
it's yummy. It's yummy. And you can
So
have it
this,
with
so this
anything.
plus your vegetables is perfect.
Yeah, yeah, it's fantastic.
Hmm. 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 Superb. Okay.
So, it isn't that
Then
difficult, yeah.
what? Not that difficult. Yeah. And what do vegetarians do for breakfast on keto? That's a pain, no, for them.
Yeah, okay. So one is, Ashton, on keto, your appetite does kind of go down because the satiety levels, because fat is so satiating, right? So at some point of time,
Yeah.
most of my
Yeah.
clients are like, we don't want breakfast. But breakfast, nuts, okay, great this thing. Cold coffee, keto cold coffee, which is with stevia and with cream, not milk. Okay.
Okay.
So cream, fresh Amul fresh cream, cream, ice, okay, coffee, and you can put little cinnamon if you want flavoring or something, little cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, something, if you want, little vanilla essence
Correct.
if you want
Correct.
vanilla coffee, yeah, stevia.
And we can do coconut milk also for this.
You can do coconut milk, you can do almond milk.
Lovely. So
Not
you
a
can mix
problem.
any of those things as well. Huh.
Not a problem. That's one thing. Now, here's another secret of mine, Ashton. Man, you're taking on, because I get so enthusiastic to share then, that I'm sharing all my secret recipes. Yes, tea is fine.
Love
Tea is
it.
fine. Madhavi, you can have tea, but I would prefer you have it with fresh cream, little bit of fresh cream. Heto it a little first, then mix it in your tea so it dissolves faster. No milk, Madhavi, if that's possible, and stevia, not sugar. And not coconut sugar
Perfect.
or this. Ashton, guess what I'm having? Apple cider vinegar
Haldi
with
chai.
ginger and cinnamon.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Grated ginger and cinnamon. Boil.
Excuse me, madam. There is supposed to be fat in everything that you have because you're on keto. Where
Who
is the
said?
fat in this?
Who said? I've had my fat in the afternoon. I will have my fat for dinner. Nah, doesn't have to be fat in everything. This is great as it is.
No? See,
This
that's
is
the
also a
point, right? There is
misconception,
so
guys.
much
Please don't
misunderstanding
think.
around keto and fat and sab kuch.
Yes.
Have 4 spoons
Yes.
of oil, have this, have that, 35 eggs,
Yeah. I'll tell you, people have ruined the reputation of keto by saying, eat your favorite burgers and pizzas and lose weight. Can I tell you, a keto pizza tastes nothing like a regular pizza, okay? So if you are
It's like
thinking,
stevia doesn't taste like sugar.
it doesn't,
It is like you have to make peace with the fact.
It doesn't, darling. So if you're thinking, yeah, I will eat pizza and all, you're going to be so disappointed, Eat healthy, whole foods. Okay, that's what matters, right? I had a client once message me saying, when you're going to send my home kind of food? I said, huh? I specialize in home kind of food. What are you talking about? No, like pizzas and burgers and sandwiches. I'm like, ye kaun sa ghar hai, bhai?
Oh God, poor thing.
I will come to your house. Yes, you do need to limit nuts. Sorry, Dr. UV. Groundnuts, see, peanuts for some people can be inflammatory. Okay.
Yeah.
For me, it isn't, but peanut butter is. Peanut butter doesn't work as well for me. Regular peanuts do. Okay. What I prefer is walnuts first. See, if you can, then macadamia nuts, pecans are fantastic. Okay. नहीं तो हमारे घर के nuts में walnuts, then almonds. Okay, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and all fantastic. Yeah, but walnuts, then almonds. Peanuts, limited quantity. If it's not reacting badly, and your body will tell you, listen to your body, then have the peanuts. It's not a problem at all.
Correct.
Yeah. So
you know how to find out, right? If peanuts affect you or not, and do you know why peanuts are so bad for you?
Tell me.
Or why peanuts suddenly became, this
Got a
whole
bad
big
rep.
thing around the world where allergies. Yeah.
Peanut
So what started
allergies,
happening is, so peanuts are not nuts, right? Peanuts are
they're
legumes. They grow underground. They grow underground. And America went through this whole process of using glyphosate or Roundup, which is basically kills off the weeds that are there. So now, where is that glyphosate going to go if you spray it on the floor? It's going to go down into the soil. What is in the soil? Peanuts. What's going to absorb it? The peanuts. So as a result, the peanuts started getting that. So as a result, most of the peanuts that come from abroad, hence the peanut butters probably that you've tried from abroad, don't suit you as much as
Don't
stuff
suit-
that you probably get
The
here
Indian
because
one, like the
it's not
Butternut
so
Company
rampant here.
and things like that, you know, maybe
Yeah,
those
so it's
kinds.
not so rampant here. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
like
like
when
your
you have
Skippies and
Bharuchi
all of that
peanuts.
would be,
Sorry,
yeah,
sorry.
like Skippy and all, which are your international brands.
Yeah.
Typically,
Yeah,
those
yeah.
will be a little inflammatory. Like you said, Bharuchi peanuts are mine. They're awesome. They're like this size, the size of your
Fantastic.
head.
Yeah. You know, Ashley, I have to tell you this, okay? Even at Keto Dishes, I kind of believe in eating as local as possible, you know, and keeping ingredients, everything as local as possible, you know, because I think it kind of matters, you know, that you eat what's locally available, what's grown in the soil around you.
So important.
You know, your apples don't need to come from Fiji, you know,
Yeah.
or, you know, New Zealand and things like that. You know, have nice Maharashtrian apples if you're in Mumbai.
Yeah.
You know, so it just, I
And
think
Simla
eating
apples
local
if you're in
makes a big
Simla.
difference. Yeah, I think eating local just makes a big difference, you know.
Correct.
And there's
It comes
so many
fresher,
places.
it comes faster,
Yes.
and hence it makes a big difference as well.
It makes a big difference because it comes faster, you know. So, wait, what were we talking about before we got
We were
sidetracked?
talking about nuts that came up. Breakfast. We were talking about breakfast.
Okay,
That
so listen to this, guys, vegetarians and non-vegetarians, you will thank me. Listen to this. Greek yogurt. I'm back with my Greek yogurt.
yeah,
If
I
you
love
are
it. Everything starts with take a little
Yeah.
Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt. Take a little Greek yogurt. I should just,
Like
you know,
all keto
IBS
recipes now
trying
start with take a
keto.
little Greek yogurt.
Yeah, 1 second. IBS trying keto. Ashton, we'll address the IBS thing later because I have a personal thing.
Oh,
Is
lovely.
chila
Yeah.
good? No. What
IBS
is the
is very
chila
important.
being made of? Dal? No. Besan? No. So no chila. Made almond flour chila. Anyway, so Greek yogurt or fresh cream, if you're okay with fresh cream. Okay. I like to mix the yogurt and the cream. Okay. Ice or water. Okay. Little bit of kala namak. Okay. Black salt or pink salt. Okay. Little adrak. Little hari mirchi. Choto bits. Bhuna zira powder or zira powder. Okay. Little bit of stevia. Yeah. Whiz it and coriander or pudina. Little pudina leaves. Whiz it up and you have the most yum and filling pudina chas, masala chas.
Wow.
Keto.
So that becomes your breakfast.
Keto
Pudina chas becomes your breakfast.
Now, add a tablespoon of ghee to it. Okay.
Okay.
Now understand how satiating that is when you drink it. That one glass is
That's
so
gonna be
satiating,
filling,
so
yeah.
filling, and it is yum. So I send it out as a snack sometimes. You know, I put a couple of other ingredients which I'm not sharing here, but
You have to find
but
it yourself.
you have to find you have to find out or subscribe.
Find out yourself. Yeah.
But that's a great breakfast. That's a great breakfast.
Yeah. Very nice.
You know,
Very interesting.
Yeah. What's wrong
And we
with
got a
homemade
nice question. He
curd?
said,
Nothing's wrong with homemade curd.
No, because we keep saying Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt is nothing but homemade curd that you hang. So
That you keep hanging for
basically
the
take
long
your
time.
normal homemade curd and you hang it, and that is your Greek yogurt. So you don't have to be fancy about it. Ghar ka dahi is perfect.
Please use homemade curd. Please, I am a big
Yeah.
believer in as much homemade as possible. Please do. You know.
In fact, everything that
IBS.
Chandni is talking about is this. Use all the stuff that is there in your house. You don't need to go out, get fancy things.
Yes.
Use those things,
Yes.
but
Yes.
use them smart in the way that is in the ketogenic style.
Within
Correct?
the ketogenic parameters. Okay. Have
Parameters,
Karela, please
parameters.
have Karela, not a problem. You know. So IBS, somebody asked a question about IBS. That's irritable bowel syndrome. Okay. So I suffered from IBS. Okay. And the only thing that has helped my IBS has been eating ketogenically.
Wow.
Allopathic medication for IBS doesn't cure, it suppresses the symptoms. Okay. The only thing that works, because IBS, the best thing that works is anti-inflammatory foods and cutting certain foods that cause reaction with your gut bacteria. Legumes,
Correct.
And pulses are a large part of that. No matter how much you soak them and no matter what you do, they are difficult to digest for your system. Okay? Grains to a large extent are difficult to digest for your system. Okay?
Yeah.
So eating ketogenically helped me personally with IBS. So keto for the win.
And and adding to what she just said, somebody earlier on had asked about constipation and not getting your poop on time because you're having so much fat and so much
Because you're not
protein and
eating
all
enough
because of the
fiber.
ketogenic diet. The point is that what Shanini is saying is that you have so much fiber because of the vegetables that you're eating. Because you're eating so
Correct.
many vegetables, you're getting enough fiber as it is.
Correct.
So it is not that
Correct.
that junk keto that we're talking about कि मैंने keto burger खाया, keto pizza खाया, keto ये खाया,
Keto
सिर्फ
desserts. Keto desserts.
keto dessert. Correct. We
Then
need
people
to
want
share
keto
keto
desserts
desserts
more than they
also.
want
Okay, that's an
their
important
meal.
part, huh? Yeah.
No, I am all for keto desserts. See, please understand, I'm all for it. But it cannot be your whole meal. And you don't eat it every single day because you can't do without it. No, not protein. Who is this? MHMs _ GTM? No, what? Moderate
Gatam.
protein. Moderate
His
protein.
name is Gatam.
Gatam. Hi.
Gatam.
So, not protein. No. Please, guys, I cannot reiterate this more. Low carb, moderate protein, high fat. That's what it is about. So please don't have
And
like
in
1
fact,
kg of chicken.
in fact, my problem with the ketogenic, I was just thinking about it, is that I'm so used to having such a high protein diet that I'm trying to figure out how to get it back to normal. How to actually tone it down. I've had 4 eggs today. So I had 4 eggs and I put 2 spoons of ghee in it, and I had Karela on the side. That was my lunch. Then I had a hot chocolate, and I whipped a little stevia into it and a little coffee into that. So that was hot chocolate.
What was your
I didn't add any
hot
fat
chocolate in water?
in water.
That's fine.
I didn't add any fat to it. Then I had a protein shake where I added coconut oil to it and I blitzed it up together. So that I did not know. I had to figure out whether that's the right way of doing it or not.
That's fine. 24
25.
grams of, okay.
25.
Low carb protein,
Correct?
of course, I'm guessing.
Yeah. 2 grams of carbs, 3 grams of carbs, that
Okay.
much. And so I know that my protein quota is probably now over from the ketogenic point of view. Correct?
No, it isn't.
Or can I have more?
Because you work out.
6 4s are
Right?
32 plus 25. Correct.
32 plus 25 is 57, right? But Baba, you work
Correct.
out, no? So you can go to
So I can have more, right?
1.5.
I don't have to then limit my protein either.
Yes, you can. No. Do not limit your protein, but do not go nuts. People have 1 kg chicken in the day. Where does that come from? No. So, rule of thumb, okay? 0.8 grams to 1.5 grams per kilogram of weight.
On the keto diet.
On the keto diet.
So that's 70 grams for me. Perfect.
About 70 grams for you. So you're fine. You have more room out there. Yeah. It's just, you see, people don't understand. So they have 3 protein shakes and 4 eggs and chicken and this thing, don't do it. Look, to a large extent, it's not going to harm you, but it's not the way it works. So why would you want to do that? You're doing it, do it right? So it's moderate protein.
Correct.
Macros, please. What is macros? Oh, you want generic macros? 70% fat, 20% protein, 10% carbohydrates. There you go. Now
so
figure that out
for me, what would it be? Now I'm gonna be me centric. Me. Okay, so I know I can have 70 grams of fat. I can have 70 grams of protein.
No, I didn't say
now,
that.
how
so
many
70 grams of protein. So here is the thing, Ashton. Now, and this is where I differ from everybody else. Yeah.
Okay.
Forget about your specific macros. Forget about it. Eat intuitively. Okay? Eat intuitively. Get in every meal. I'm not talking about your coffee and things like that. Let's not go nuts. So in every main meal or snack that you're having, Get in some fat. Get in a wee bit of protein. In your main meals, get in a lot of vegetables. Okay? You're good. You're good. Forget
Fine.
about individual macros. People go nuts with individual macros, and please understand.
Yeah, how do you even calculate it, right?
You know what? See, there are a lot of people who believe, no, you must calculate macros and calories in and calories out and all. And sure, I know that work, but I've been doing this for a while, and I don't do individual macros for my clients. I do healthy, nutritious, wholesome, delicious food based on the ketogenic parameters. I ask them to stop eating when they're hungry. I ask them to eat only when they're hungry. Stop eating when they're full. I ask them to eat only when they're hungry, listen to their bodies, and it is working for them.
Lovely.
Because you cannot be constantly thinking about, does this fit into my macros? Come on, yeah, you have other things to do in life, yeah. You
have a life. Yeah, you have to get a life.
Yeah. Eat well. Eat well. This thing. But here's Diet Coke. I love to have it, so do I. But here's my thing, okay? Okay. I know. Maybe there's Diet Coke in this. I don't know.
So no, it's apple cider vinegar and all of that fancy stuff you were having.
Look, there's apple cider. With haldi. There's lacadong haldi in it.
With haldi.
So here is my thing. Ashton, if you have a cube of cheese or a piece of cheese as a snack with some olives, okay? Just say, understand that the cheese has proteins as well as fat. So you are getting those proteins in there. You don't necessarily need to have some bacon with it. Do you get what I'm saying?
Interesting. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So if you have, say, 2 boiled eggs, okay, Ashton, this is one of my favorite things. You do two boiled eggs or 3 boiled eggs. You chop it up, okay? Then you pour melted butter on it and some salt and pepper. Maybe some chili flakes. It's yum. It's yum. And I don't like eggs, and I think it's yum. Now, if you add some grated cheese, understand that you've got quite a bit of protein going on there, and you've got your fat. That's a good meal to have. Now have it like you did now with your sabzi on the side. Ashton, one thing I wanted to tell you, I made notes. One thing I wanted to tell you for your reset, okay? Are you doing IF?
I am doing IF.
Okay. Break your fast with a tablespoon of ghee or coconut oil.
Okay.
Okay. Then move on to your apple cider vinegar or whatever you have. Okay. And then after that, continue. But so for others also out there, one of the best things to do is first thing in the morning. Basically, the first thing that you have should be a tablespoon if you are on keto. If you are on regular eating, a normal balance. I don't know what normal is, but if you're eating not keto, make it a teaspoon. If you're eating keto or low carb, high fat, make it a tablespoon. Ghee or coconut oil. First thing to go into your system. You ain't gonna have constipation. Your skin's gonna glow. You're gonna have a lot of energy. Use the ghee as workout fuel. If you're gonna do a hard workout, have 2 tablespoons of ghee. Don't have the banana. Don't have, all that saying, oh, I need fuel. Have 2 tablespoons of ghee. Go work out and tell me how it works for you. You'll be amazed.
Lovely. It gets you into keto crazy. I love it. Dr. Yuvi is saying that I've tried your ghee thing. I've tried your ghee thing, and it gets you into keto crazy.
Crazy fast. Yeah. It's really good.
There you go.
Cleans your system out also well.
Yeah, and I think it's so important, that to recap, guys, the most important thing is that firstly, if you're in Bombay, please order from Keto-licious Food. They're fantastic.
Shameless plug.
So, no, it's a shameless plug if you do it. If I do it, it is a compliment.
So the fact that I'm texting you on the side saying, Ashton say na. No, I'm kidding. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. Okay? Say.
So guys, seriously, if you're in Bombay, order from Keto-licious Foods. Absolutely fantastic, yummy food. Can prove that healthy food is good and tasty as well. Okay? So that's one. The second important thing is don't think about keto as a fancy thing. It is not, right? It can be an everyday thing about how we eat. So start thinking about food in that context. So start thinking about how can I make my normal ghar ka khana keto, right? So like the challenge is with me that I have my mom and dad who are eating ghar ka khana. Now I have to eat keto alongside them. So this is how we have to do our little dance together. And hence it is completely possible to do that as well. And that is the thing that struck out from me the most, right? The recipes that you gave, start
doesn't
using
need
your
to be
hung curd,
fancy.
start mating. It doesn't need to be fancy, right? All the things that you mentioned are things that we have at home. So start using those things, and I think start experimenting with keto.
Can I give you one last gold tip? Okay, if you're eating at home,
Yeah.
what is so you've got the cauli rice thing, right? But people miss
Yeah,
the
yeah.
roti concept, right? Okay, so no fruits except for berries. So take flaxseed, alsi, sasta ani masta. Okay, alsi. Okay,
What is
powder
alsi?
it.
Alsi is flaxseed, or?
Flax seeds, yeah, alsi.
Oh, it's called alsi.
Flax. Yeah. Big packet for 60 rupees. Lovely. Okay, it's called alsi.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then we get one
You
seed
get
for
it
60
at
rupees and call it flax.
any general store. Okay, ask for alsi. Okay, so powder it at home. See, I always like flax flour made fresh, or maximum keep it for a week, because flax
Yeah, it gets
can
oxidized
turn
very
rancid
fast.
very fast, right?
Yeah,
So you don't
yeah,
need to
yeah.
buy 1 kg and all. That's a waste. Powder the alsi. Okay, a little bit of isabgol, warm water. So alsi flour, little isabgol. You can also powder the isabgol or just put it in straight. Little namak, little mal mirchi, little ajwain, or if you want to put little hari mirchi kanda, like that. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Warm water.
Huh.
That's your atta. Leave it for 10 minutes
And
for
then
the isabgol to activate.
you balance it out, or you do
Belo
like
it
this?
out. Warm water is the trick.
Belo?
Warm water is the trick.
Ah.
And keep it for 10-15 minutes for the isabgol to activate, right? For it to expand and become gel-like. And
Correct.
below it out,
Correct.
and you have your rotis. Put lots of ghee.
Too good. Too good.
Yeah.
This is so you have this and you have your sabzi and your set.
And you're set.
You don't need anything else after that.
Don't forget raita, Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt. Yeah. You know, all Indian recipes start with take one small onion
Take
and
one
chop.
small onion.
Take all
Zira,
keto recipes
rye and zira.
from you start with
Take Greek yogurt.
take one Greek yogurt.
Well, Epigamia needs to hire me. So, no. But what I'm saying is, now in that flax roti, understand, now you've made a flax atta. You can do this with almond flour, coconut flour, but fancy, where you're getting it in your farm. Do the alsi, okay? Now in that, please understand, go crazy and put what masala? Achar. Okay, sometimes you get achar. So achar ka little masala, mix it in the atta, you have your achari paratha.
What is achar ka masala? Matlab actual pickle.
Like achar.
Like mother's recipe pickle.
Yeah, achar.
Into the loaf.
Into the atta. You have achari paratha.
I've never had that. Okay. Really?
Yeah,
Wow. Okay,
yeah.
I'm going to definitely try this one.
Try it. You'll have achari paratha, or take some any masala, put little kasuri methi in the atta to give it a nice taste. Put ajwain. That's it. It
Nice.
is, yeah. Because you know,
Lovely.
flax can.
Actually, I've
otherwise-
never heard of estrogen in flax. Huh? I don't think flax is a estrogenic phytoestrogen
It's not that
compound.
much.
Does flax
You know,
have
you're not having
phytoestrogen?
like a kg.
No. I don't think flax does that. Huh?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
It doesn't.
It's like soy. I know that there are lots of talks about soy, and hence all your edamame and all of that.
Hence,
but
I
nothing to
am
do with,
I'm not on board with tofu. You know, as a
Exactly.
vegetarian option.
Tofu is, especially right now, the way tofu is made is the problem. See, tofu was a fantastic ingredient when it was fermented and made.
Yes.
Now, who has the time to ferment anything,
Exactly.
right? So it's all mass produced, and hence you don't ferment it. So those
Exactly.
estrogen compounds don't get used.
Exactly. So it's all there going into your system.
Yeah, so
So
important.
there's your roti, guys. Remember to
Too
send
good. So
thank
now we've
yous
got
in the
rice,
end.
we've got roti, we've got lots
your
of
sabzis.
vegetables, we've got our sabzis, right? We've got our raitas, we've got our dahi ka fixes. Superb. It's a proper meal.
Yeah.
And this
And
is
if
only the
you're
vegetarian
craving
stuff. We
dessert-
didn't even touch the non-vegetarian stuff. Look at
Not
that,
even
guys.
two. I've kept it pure.
How about that?
You've got your chia dahi rice.
There
Don't
you go.
forget.
Chia dahi rice. That was the weirdest one, huh?
Random,
This
right?
one I have to definitely.
Here's another one. Here's
very
another
random.
one you can do. You can do the same chia and do one little tomato. take one onion, okay, little tomato masala.
Take one small onion. You
Take
have to
one
say small onion.
fine chop.
Huh.
Put
Huh.
some tomato like that, little garlic, ginger. Put little rasam powder in the masala. And then put your chia in that and little water and you get a lovely chia rasam.
Hey, make bisibela bath,
I'll make bisibila bhat. I'll make
Ah.
bisibila bhat. Yeah.
I
There's
love bisibela
literally
bath.
nothing I cannot ketofy. Nothing. You just have to get a little creative. You just have to really want to do it. It's my job. I love it. So I do it. But there's
Yes,
nothing I do.
yes.
I mean, my clients get keto dosa and keto medu vada, and they get like, I make keto pitla bhakri. I make
What is
keto
that?
pitla bhakri. Huh? Pitla?
What is pitla bakri?
Oh, you don't know
What is
pitla?
that?
It's Maharashtrian dal, garha dal.
Okay.
But I make pitla without
I
the
don't know.
dal. Huh?
Wow. So
I make
it's like a
sambar
bhakri
without
that you
the
make?
dal. Pardon? Pardon?
I think we're talking over each other. Sorry. So how do you make sambar without the dal?
I'm not saying. That's
Okay, fine.
proprietary
Top
information.
secret.
I will send you. That's proprietary information.
Done. When I'm in Bombay on my keto, you're
I
you're
promise
gonna
I
be
will send you and you tell me if it's not just exactly sambar. And
Done,
there's
done,
nothing
done.
inflammatory in it. Lots of vegetables
Superb.
in it.
If you make sambar rice keto, to matlab like
Coconut rice with sambar. Yum.
done. Superb.
Set.
Anything we missed out? Anything you want to talk about in particular? I think we've had a fantastic session. I'm definitely
it's been
going to
quite a
save this.
bit. Yeah,
but
I'm
guys,
just so
there's some
excited about
strange
this
thing that Instagram is doing right now about saving lives. It's not the same as it used to be last week. So I'm going to figure this out and put
Ashwin,
it
you
up.
have to
So
save
it
this
archives
one.
are live. I know. It archives are live and then you have to download it or some funda like that. So I need to figure this
Jesus.
out and I'll definitely do it.
No, get your team, because this is a good one, yeah. This is something that
Yeah.
people can refer to again and again, so much
Correct.
to.
Moina, you and me both of us are hungry.
Who's hungry? Who said? 1 second.
Moina. You know Moina?
No, who is Moina?
Have you met
Moina
Moina?
O'Brien. Hi,
Moina-
Moina.
Yeah. Moina, you and Tanya are going to have a blast when you all meet. Okay, I'm going to set it up.
Who is Moina? Please connect us. I love talking to anybody who's fun.
Mo Superfood, the kefir brand. Mo Superfood, the kefir
oh
brand
my
is
God,
Moina.
my God, I love Mo's Kefir. Okay, I love it. Moina, let's connect. I love Mo's Kefir, and I was really sad when it closed down. I have so honestly, the kefir, the Chas flavored kefir, the bomb. I had like a
Absolutely,
3 liter
completely agree
bottle
with you.
delivery every Friday coming to my house. Yeah, they're superb. They're superb. I think that's it. We've covered quite a bit. Look, if you want to track your macros and carb manager, MyFitnessPal is very good. I know Moina heartbroken too, but it will come back. I promise you, Mo's Kefir will come back. My full energy is to that. So that's it. Do definitely try the tablespoon of ghee or coconut oil. First thing in your system. Try that. That alone works wonders. Yeah, Ashton.
Who? What?
Lots and lots of water.
The
1 tablespoon of ghee or coconut oil. First thing.
And water.
Lots and lots of water through the day. Lots of water through the day. Okay. But ye try karo. It really works wonders. Yeah.
Lovely.
Okay.
Superb. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is a fantastic live.
Congratulations on 10K. Yay.
Yay.
Well deserved. And on to 50
You
and
have-
100 and 200. Come on then. Yeah. Well deserved.
Tere muh mein, I can't say ghee shakkar, yeah. What is the keto way of saying ghee shakkar?
80% dark chocolate.
Tere muh mein 80% dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Love
Greek
it.
yogurt.
Love it. Greek yogurt. Chalo,
This should be
thanks
titled
guys for
Greek yogurt.
joining.
Thanks,
Absolutely
thanks.
loved it.
Bye.
Thanks.
Have a
Bye.
great time, guys. Great evening. Bye.
See you.